Blue Dog got his head stuck between the gate and the post the other day. So I'm going to show you how to fix the gap between your gate and fence post right after this. Welcome back to Survival on a Budget Made Easy. Let's go ahead and get started. Close your gate. Then you see this one. And we'll go up here. You look at this one where your gate connects. Now you're going to want to use deep well sockets on these because that bolt will stick through and you won't be able to get your socket wrench on a standard socket. So unfortunately I got to use adjustable wrenches. We're going to go ahead and loosen these bolts. We're going to go ahead and loosen some nuts. What we're going to do is loosen these nuts and turn this part around a little bit more so it's more straighter. That way it'll push the gate more to the right. You see how much straighter that was compared to before. Let's go ahead, tighten that. And if you look over here, you can see from the bottom to the top, I actually moved it over and closed the gap some. Now this pole was leaning to the right, so that's going to be another video where I'll show you how to straighten a fence post. Go ahead and adjust the bottom one if needed. Like I said, my post is leaning out, so it's kind of messed up right now. But in a future video, I'll fix the fence post and have it adjust a little bit better. But if you need to adjust it more on the bottom, it's the same simple process. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you did, please leave a comment down below. Click on that subscribe button, and as always, thank you for watching.